tapes?
Yes, he's got like an artist. I don't know if it's his son or somebody, but it's just like his artist. He wants me to post about him and tweet about him. I'm like, first of all, number one, I don't know you. And number two, dude ain't that hot. And I keep trying to have these conversations with him, but he's so goddamn persistent. He told me the other day, just post that and watch what happens. What do you mean? What do you mean? Just like my Twitter's just mine. I'm gonna be so popular because I posted you.
Yep. I got $1, a dream of some time. I'm working one day at a time to tell y'all what's all on my mind. With only a beat and some rhymes. Now watch how my stories incline. Watch how my stories align with the G-O-A-T-S. With the G-O-A-T-S. Dodging the drama, that shit is a mess. For the designer, I still come my fresh. They asked how I got it, I had to finesse. They asked how I got it, I had to finesse. Whoa, DC flex for the check. Whoa, I went out flex for the check. I am a simple man, only one simple things. Fuck all this talking about. I got a diamond ring. Hey, cause you ain't bout shit, my nigga. You painting monthly for a ring that won't fit, my nigga. But now you own it. It's the gun like you the shit, my nigga. Everybody already know that you shit, my nigga. But let go. Hey, fuck it. Hey, fuck it. We gon' ride like rock stars. Hey, fuck it. We gon' rock out like some fucking rock stars. Hey, without any money, you ain't really going far. Hey, without any money, you ain't really I got $1 to drink me some time. I'm working one day at a time. To tell y'all what's all on my mind. With only a beat and some rhymes. Hey, I know they won't understand it. No, they won't understand it. I know they won't understand it. No, they won't understand it. I know they won't understand it. No, they won't understand it. I know they won't understand it. No, they won't understand it. Hey.
What?
Here go Paige, who don't suck. Here go Paige, who don't suck dick. Saying, telling me that I need to tell people to stop having a DJ Khaled level of annoyance. Paige is absolutely right, but don't annoy me about fucking mixtapes. I already told you I don't fucking care about your rap career.